this on Instagram. There we go. Yes, honey. What is up, real ish? A bit uneven there. Okay. What is up, real ones? My name is Liya Hizkias, and today we're doing a wig video for the first time in a minute, okay? So today I wanted to show you guys how I secure my wig without any glue, because sometimes you just want to put your wig on like it's a hat, and sometimes I do that, you know? Like, throw the wig on, put a beanie on top, you're good to go. Really, that's all you need to know if you're trying to be quick with it. But if you're trying to get that no glue quick look with your hairline still showing, then you've come to the right place. Thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video. I decided it was finally time to re-up on a new bob. If you guys know me, then you know I love a good bob wig. So they did say in the email that this is the easiest wig, and all you have to do is cut the lace and go. So we'll see if they're being for real about that. This wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline and a pre-made fake scalp. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I get wigs, I never bleach the knots, I never pluck the hairline. It's just kind of however they send it to me, that's how it's gonna be. But y'all, this hairline looks pretty damn good to me. The wig smells really nice. Like, sometimes I get wigs and it smells weird, but it actually smells super good. The hair is super soft. Oh my god, it's 160% density, so it's thick too. You guys, I'm into this. I really like how they sent a bunch of goodies with the wig. So obviously there's this hairnet, but they also sent these little hair clips that I'm gonna use to put my hair back. This edge brush, we love to see it. I literally just went to the beauty supply store yesterday and got one, but they sent it, so I love how they just secure the bag for me. And then they also have this little skinny comb too. Alright, so I don't know if y'all been seeing this on Instagram, but I just got this wig fix. This is basically like a hair grip that pretty much keeps your wig from slipping back and also apparently protects your edges and promotes hair growth. When I saw this on Instagram, I had to cop immediately. Like, I was like, y'all are telling me this can save my edges? Count me in. I'm just gonna use this kind of as additional grip to keep the wig secure, especially since, you know, we're not using any glue or any like super intense gels right now. Okay, so first things first, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace that comes here. One thing that's super lit about the new wigs at Hairvivi is they actually have an updated elastic band. So a lot of times whenever I would get wigs, they would come with the elastic band in the package, but you were supposed to attach it yourself or sew it on yourself. So I never did that. I would always just leave it in the box and put the wig on without that. But this is really great to like add additional security to your wig, especially if you're not gonna fully lay it down. You picking up what I'm putting down? You can take it out and you can actually make it tighter. So I'm gonna make it just one tighter. I do have a large head, so not trying to, you know, constrict myself too much, but we want her snatched. So I'm gonna put it on like the second tightest one. Okay, let's give it a go on this tighter setting. Oh yeah, most definitely. That made, wow! Okay, yeah. After tightening the elastic strap, I mean, she's sitting. Okay guys, so now that I've straightened it, honestly, she's low-key good to go. Like, I would be fine going out and about just like this. I low-key feel like I overcut the lace off. Like I wish I could rewind, but I can't. What's really nice about this wig fix is you can wash the makeup off when you're done because it is made of silicone. So yeah, I think that's cool. So we're just gonna do that. There we go. Okay, honey. Wow, this is like one of the fastest wig applications I've ever done. Then I'm gonna take this Lotta Body and I'm basically gonna use it to kind of smooth down my edges. So I'm gonna take this and put it all on the top of my head just to kind of lay that part, and then all up on my edges. So then I'm gonna take the little brush that it came with and just kind of start using it to very subtly lay my edges. And like even here you can see I'm kind of even touching on the edges of my actual hair, because like I said, we're not securing this fully. We're just doing something slight today. But yeah, this is just a way you can kind of create like a subtle laid edge look without it being too OD, and without it being stuck to your head. So whenever you want to be able to take your wig off when you come home, this is like really a vibe. So see, it's like you kind of get that edge looking shape without having to like go all the way in. So cool. So I like to kind of brush this part inward and then bring the rest of the hair over. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, honey. For those of you who want that extra security, if you're just trying to be quick with it, bro, Hairvivi also has clip-on bangs. I'm a sucker for bangs. I think that they're so cute, so I had to get both options that they had. So they have the thick bangs and also the wispy bangs. So both of them have like 2 little extension clips. And clip them on. Easy as that. You see how quick that was? Okay, so after straightening it, it's a little too long, but honestly, you guys, this is like hot. Like I feel mysterious. And I mean, when you've got these on, it's really like hairline who? Lace where? I don't know her. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna like the wispy ones better though. Okay, let's give those a go. Okay, I'm gonna straighten her and be right back. Oh, honey! Absolutely. These wispy bangs are it, if I may say so myself. They are absolutely it. And I mean, did you guys see how like easy that was? Like literally, this was one of the most effortless wig tutorials I've ever done. So if you're really trying to find something that's very beginner friendly, something that's very simple, and a wig that you're not gonna have to customize too much, then I definitely highly recommend Hairvivi. This is definitely one of the nicer quality wigs I've really ever had. Like it's thick, but it's not too thick. It feels nice, it came smelling good, and the bangs. I don't know about y'all. I personally prefer to wear my wigs like this, like something quick, something easy that I can just take off, so when I sleep, my scalp can breathe. You know what I'm saying? So when I get home, I can just pull up with the, you know? That's what we love to do, like post club, post party, once we can start doing those things again, when you can just snatch it right off your head. It really is the best feeling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other hair videos you guys want to see soon, and definitely check out Hairvivi. I will have them linked down below. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!